or nothing.
Mama, it's expired.
That don't matter.
Somebody can eat this.
Mom, this expired in 2017.
No.
You've been eating that.
Leave the bullion!
Can you tell me what that is?
Baking powder?
And how long has it been expired for?
Well, only a 10.5 years.
Oh,
Petroleum jelly expired in 1989.
You're lying. Does it really say 1989 on here?
So I went and grabbed some ketchup for my fries. All right. But I had to check the expiration date.
Cleaning out the in-laws fridge. How about some blackberries for dinner tonight from 1972?
Heinz ketchup should not be brown. My grandmother says it tastes good.